At Austin Property Management, we know that a well-secured, well-maintained home isn't just an asset. It's peace of mind for you and a safe haven for your tenant. Our secure online portal lets tenants submit maintenance requests with one click. From initial contact to resolution, we coordinate seamlessly between tenants, vendors, and property owners, so nothing falls through the cracks. We ensure quality repairs at competitive prices, delivered quickly by our in-house team and trusted vendors. You can count on professional service every time. Each month, you receive transparent billing, detailed vendor bills and receipts, either emailed or accessible via your owner portal. You're always in control of your investment. Our full-service approach delivers more than just maintenance. Quicker rentals, lower turnover, and happier residents, backed by our promise, you don't pay a dime until your property is making money. Worry less, profit more. Reach out now and let Austin Property Management care for your property as if it were our own. With dedicated experts on your side, you'll enjoy stress-free ownership and results you can trust.